제가 미국 소방서를 견학을 했는데 영어를 잘 하지 못하기 때문에 일단 방문하는 게 두려웠고,
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Choco pies are great. Choco pie. So you about 22, 21?
Yes.
22.
22. Up.
24, 26.
No, up. Almost.
Oh man.
Thank you. It's my turn.
Good. Oh, no, let me take my hat off. You never get. You get it? I pay you.
35.
How many?
35.
No.
No.
70.
70.
Yeah.
Hey, don't lie. Don't lie. No.
70. 1954.
Wow.
Military. I stayed in shape.
Huh?
Stayed in shape when I was young.
Huh?
It's military.
Respect.
35 years.
Wow. You guess my job. I'm from Korea.
Yeah,
Huh?
I know. Accountants.
Accountants. No.
Finance.
No.
Engineer.
No.
He's the freedom fighter. He's the freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter.
Firefighter.
You a firefighter?
Hey, bye. See you. Okay. Jenny. See you soon, Leah. Bye. 한인 택시 기사분이 추천해준 올리브 가드 파스타 집으로 유명한데, 일단 그분이 나주면옥을 추천해줘서 되게 우리가 맛있게 먹었기 때문에 우리가 여기 또 왔지. 뭐 안내받아야 되나 우리? Hi.
Two?
Yes. 파스타랑 피자 냄새가 장난 아니네.
잘 읽을 수 있어.
읽어볼게.
이거는 세 가지 나오는 거. 투어
이게 툼바 같은 느낌이네. 툼바 파스타. Thank
Do you do
you.
YouTube?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
You do?
Oh no,
Uh-huh.
I'm not good at those things. Rice and cheese.
Oh.
You said no? Yeah. Okay. Just two. That's good?
Good.
All right.
이 조합 괜찮네. Hi, have a good
Thank you.
오늘 have a good one. 원래 말 못하면 인사라도 잘해야지. 자신있게 그냥 들어가면 되겠지. 설렌다. Excuse me. 나온다. Hello, I'm Max. You're from Korea. I'm Korean firefighter. So I'm really wanted to visit American fire station. So if you have time, we got married a month ago.
Awesome,
So,
congratulations.
so came to Atlanta for vacation.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna let them
Oh.
go real quick. And then,
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Max.
Oh, nice to meet you. Sorry, my hands are round.
It's okay,
washing the
okay.
dishes.
Well, we just got done eating lunch, so that's
Really?
perfect timing. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
This is Max.
I'm Justin.
Hey.
Hey, nice to meet
Yeah.
y'all.
What do you want to see? You want to see around the station? You want to see the truck, or you let me know what do you want to see?
Waiting rooms
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
everything.
Okay. Perfect.
I'm curious person.
Gotcha. No, you're good. So of course, this is our gym.
Gym. 와우. 화장 바꿔봐.
Just like our supply closet where we have all the
와.
That's the women's. If you look in there,
샤워. 오.
this is just our
Electrical.
where our radio and internet system and all that stuff is. Yeah, so this is where we sleep at night. Of course, everybody has their own locker, bed, and stuff like that.
와우.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
That's where he'll sit.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
This snack, the most popular.
Yes.
Nights, summer's gone. It was the best we ever had. I'll stay young. We have a time whenever I regret. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
혹시 아틀란타에 구독자분들이 오시게 된다면은 여기 나주면허굴 꼭 와보세요. 진짜 맛집 진짜. 여기 벌써 차가 오버레이트, 차가 꽉 찼어. 미국 소방서 구경하고 지금 이제 밥 먹으러 나주면허 뽑았습니다. 세 번째입니다. 세 번째. 진짜 찐 맛집. 아틀란타에 놀러 오는 사람들은 여기 꼭 오시기 강력 추천합니다. 추천. 맛있게 먹어. 이건 내 인생 1등 나주곰탕이야. 그 양지 설렁탕은 그냥 뭐 잘 몰랐거든. 얘는 진짜 1등이야. 네.
맛있다.
맛있지? 초코. 뷰리.
보고 싶었어.
초코.
보고 싶었어.
보고 싶었어? 응?
보고
아니 보고 싶었어? 응?
진정해.
진정해. 진정해. 진정해.